Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Yusra. Today's topic is science. We studied the chapter nutrition in plants in previous video, but one topic is left. Let's start and please don't skip the video. Okay, this is the chapter nutrition in plants. How nutrition are represented in soil. Have you seen farmers spending manure or fertilizer in the field or gardeners using them in laws or in pots? Do you know why this is done? You learn that plants absorb mineral and nutrition from the soil, so the amount in the soil kept during fertilizer and manure contain nutrition such as nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, etc. These nutrition need to be added from time to time to enrich the soil. We can grow plants and keep it healthy. Yes, this is very good idea that we can grow a plant and keep it healthy. We can fulfill the nutrition requirement of plant. Usually crop plant absorb a lot of nutrition in the soil, become deficient in nitrogen. You learn that thought nitrogen gas is available in plenty air. Plants cannot be used in manner they can use carbon dioxide. They need nitrogen in soluble form. The bacteria is called rhizobium. The bacteria that is found in nitrogen insoluble is called rhizobium. Rhizobium can take place in atmosphere nitrogen and convert it into rhizobium cannot make its own food, so it often lives in the root of gram, peels, mung beans, and other provide them nitrogen. In return, the plants provide food and shelter to the bacteria. They thus have symbiotic relation. This associate is the great significance of the farmers. They can reduce the use of nitrogen, fertilizer, and manure. Plants are grown most in the pulses are obtained from leguminous plant. In this plant, you learn that most of the plants are autotrophs. Only a few plants are parasitic or saprocytic. They drive nutrition for other organisms, and all animals are contagious or heterotrophs since depends on plants and other animals. So now we have completed the whole chapter. Let's promote it to exercises. So focused to the third part. Fill in the blanks. Green plants are called dash since they synthesize their own food. Green plants are called autotrophs, the process by which green plants make food with the help of chlorophyll, water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight is called autotrophs. The food synthesis by a plant is stored as photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, solar energy is absorbed by a pigment is called chlorophyll. During photosynthesis, plants take in leaf and release chlorophyll gas. So we have done exercise. 6 part is important, so I want to discuss you with the 6 part. So I have done, and if you like my channel, so please subscribe and thank you for listening me. Bye.